Shania and Rihan were the kind of couple everyone noticed. Designer shoes, latest phones, perfect pictures. They studied in one of the city's best schools, where corridors echoed with ambition and Wi-Fi signals were stronger than friendships. They were young, in love, and constantly online. One evening, a screenshot appeared. Private messages, their chat. Shared first in whispering whispers, then in groups, then everywhere. The messages were shocking. Shania confiding in her boyfriend, allegedly revealing secrets about her father's second life. Details no daughter should ever see the world discuss. By morning, it was trending. Hashtags replaced names, opinions replaced facts. At school, eyes followed Shania everywhere. Phones pointed at her like weapons. Whispers chased her down hallways. No one asked her anything. They already knew, or thought they did. Rihan didn't speak much that day. The messages felt real. The screenshots looked convincing, and the pressure was unbearable. He stepped away. Not because he stopped loving her, but because loving her now meant standing alone. Shania stopped coming to school. Her phone buzzed endlessly, but no message helped. Apologies never trend. Clarifications don't go viral. Weeks later, the truth surfaced quietly. The chats had been tampered with, messages edited, context destroyed. A digital forgery. It spread nowhere near as fast as the lie. By then, the damage was done. Shania's name was already written in people's minds. Her father's reputation was fractured, and Rihan had learned to live with regret. They never became what they once were. Not because the truth didn't come out, but because it came too late. Not everything that trends is true, and sometimes truth arrives after everything is lost.